Start again. Hello students. Today I am teach you how to find out sum of first n terms of an AP. See, this is the formula. Sn equals n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We know n is number of terms, a is the first term, d is the common difference. If we know the last term an can also be written as L also, last term. Then we have to use this formula. Sn equals n by 2 into a plus an. We can take it an also, otherwise we can take it as a plus L also. L is the last term. An is last term. Another one formula is also there. We have to find out 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n. This is sum of first n natural numbers. If we want to find out sum of first n natural numbers, we can use this formula directly. N into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, now we have to go to solve the sums. First sum. Find the sum of first 22 terms of the AP 8, 3, minus 2, dash dash. Here what they are given, first we have to write down. A equals to 8. D equals A2 minus A1. Here A2 is 3, A is 8. 3 minus 8 is how much? Minus 5. First 22 terms they are given. That means n equals to 22. We have to find out the sum. So take the formula. Sn equals n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 22. 22 by 2. 2 into a is 8 plus 22 minus 1 into d is minus 5. Now 2 ones are 2 11s are 11 into 8 2s are 16 plus 22 minus 1 21 into minus 5. Now 11 16 multiply by minus 5 plus into minus 5 ones are 5 5 2s are 10. Now do the subtraction. 15 minus 6 9 9 minus 1 8 minus 89. Now multiply by 11. 11 nines are 99. 9 11 eights are 88. 88 plus 9 97 minus 979. Sn equals, yes, that means S22. S22 equals minus 979. Go to next sum. If the sum of first 14 terms of an AP is 1050, that means they are given S14 equals to 1050 and its first term is 10. That means A equals to 10. Find the 20th term. Here we don't know the D also. D also question mark. Then we have to find out A20. Find the 20th term means A20. First take the sum formula. Sn equals n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is how much here? 1050. N is 14. 14 by 2. 2a into a is 10 plus n is 14. 14 minus 1 we have to find out the d, right, as it is. 2 ones are 2 sevens are. Now divide the 7 like here. 1050 divided by 7 equals 10 tens are 20 plus 14 minus 1 13. 13 into d 13d. Now divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 fives are 150. 150 transpose 20 to this side minus 20 equals to 13d. 150 minus 20 130 divided by 13 equals to d. 13 ones are 13 tens are 10 equals to d. Now we have to find out A20. We know A20 equals A plus 20 minus 1, 19D. So A equals how much? 10 plus 19 into D also 10. 10 plus 190. 10, 19 tens are 190. So add it. How much? 200. A20 equals to 200. Next, go to next question. How many terms of the AP? How many terms of the AP means we have to find out n equals question mark. A equals to 24. D equals A2 minus A1. A2 is 21. A1 equals 24. Subtraction. 24 minus 21 minus 3. Now, and that their sum is 78. That means yes, n equals to 78. Now we have to find out the n. Write the formula. Sn equals n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is how much? 78. N we don't know. We have to find out n. 2 into a is 24 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3. Now 78 equals n by 2. 24 2s are how much? 48. Multiply by minus 3. Minus 3n minus into minus plus 3. Now take transpose 2 to this side. 78 into 2 equals to n into, now subtraction, addition. 48 plus 3 how much? 51 minus 3n. Multiply by 2. 2 8s are 16, 1, 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 156 is equal to, multiply by n. 51n minus 3n square. Now transpose, write in a standard form quadratic equation. 3n square minus 51n plus 156 equal to 0, because I am transposing all this to this side. So minus 3n square plus becomes plus 3n square. 51n becomes minus 51n. Here only the 150 plus 156 equal to 0. Now we have to solve it by factorization method. Multiply 3 into 156. See, all these number are divisible by 3. First you divided by whole equation by 3. N square minus 51 divided by 3, 17n plus 3 5s are 3 2s are 52 equal to 0. Now take the factors of 52n square. We want to get minus 17 here. 14 3s are 52 minus 14 minus 3. When we are adding, we are getting minus 17. So, n square minus 14n minus 3n plus 52 equals to 0. Group to two numbers. Take the common. N common. N minus 14. Minus 3 take the common. Again, n minus 14 equals to 0. N minus 14 equals to 0. N minus 3 equals to 0. So, n equals to 14 and n equals to 3. Then we go to next question. Find the sum of first 24 terms of the list of numbers whose nth term is given by an equals to 3 plus 2n. We have to find out sum of first 24 terms. They are given an equals to 3 plus 2n. Now we have to take n equals to 1. Then we are getting a1. a1 equals 3 plus 2n. That means we are getting first term. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Then n equals to 2 take down. So a2 equals 3 plus 2 into 2. 3 plus 2 2s are 4. 3 plus 4, 7. Then we can find out the d. d equals to how much? a2 minus a1. That is 7 minus 5 equals to 2. Now we know a and we know d. We can find out sum of first 24 terms. N equals to 24. Now take the formula. Sn equals n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is how much? 24. 24 by 2, 2 into a is how much? 5 plus n minus 1 means n is 24 minus 1 into d is 2. 2 1s are 2 12s are 12 into 5 2s are 10 plus 24 minus 1 23 into 2. That is 12, 10 plus 46. That is 12 into 46 plus 10, 56. Multiply by 12. 12 6 are 78, 7, sorry 12 6 are 72, 7 carry over, 12 5 are 60 plus 7, 67. That is 672. Sum of 24 terms is 672. Thank you students.